to make seafood fried rice. Ingredients: cassava, shrimp, squid, garlic, cucumber, chili, eggs, sweet soy sauce, salt and pepper, cooking oil, tomato, shallot. Steps: peel and wash the cassava. Grate the cassava. Squeeze out the liquid. Dry roast or sangrai in a pan. Heat some oil. In a large pan, stir fry the garlic and shallot until fragrant. Add the shrimp and squid. Stir fry until they turn and are fully cooked. Add the cassava. Stir everything together until well combined. Taste and add the seasoning if needed. And fried rice is ready to be served.